Welcome back again. This is a 2016 Chevrolet Silverado, and we are replacing the AC condenser. You'll need to get the air box out of the way, get the sight shield out of the way, and then you'll need to remove the transmission lines on the side if you have the auxiliary transmission cooler, or the driver's side over here, which goes into the side of the condenser here. The top portion of this condenser, as you can see, is actually a transmission cooler. You see the fins are thicker than the bottom ones. Right here it switches over. This is a transmission cooler on top. So you will unclip. There will be a cover. You'll pull the cover off, pull these little clips out, and then you'll remove the line from that side. And this side, on the driver's side, over here, I removed the line completely, and on the passenger side I just removed that end. And then you'll need to go down on the bottom on the passenger side where the AC condenser lines go in. This is why you remove the air box, so you can get access down here. You remove this 13mm nut and take these lines off. Obviously, before you do this system needs to be empty. You'll need a recovery system like this to be able to pull the Freon from the system. So do not disconnect this if you have not recovered the Freon from the system and the system is empty in a vacuum. It is illegal and harmful to the environment to release the Freon into the air. There are EPA fines for doing that, so do not do that. R134A stays in the air and depletes the ozone for 120 years. The new 1234YF only stays in the air for a couple of years before it deteriorates. So that's why they switched. This is a R134A system, and I have recycled it. And then, so remove these lines here, take that off. Once you get those two lines off and the transmission lines are off, then you'll unbolt here, unbolt here. You will lift this assembly up out of the pins, push it forward like I have done here. Then once you push it forward, you will remove this upper cover. So you can see it'll be clipped on the end here and the other end right here, and it clips into these little pieces right here. So you'll pry it off, pop it up, and then it'll come loose from the top, and that will come out. And once you have that out, you should be able to remove this condenser from the radiator. It is also in the clips. You'll see a little tab right here that you'll push on. Pop it out of that side, pop it out of that side, and then you can remove the condenser. This bottom piece was also attached to it. I just pushed it off of the condenser and it came out. This side, this piece actually fell off while I was taking it out. I just popped it back on. Be sure to transfer these air guides onto the new condenser. You need those. Those are important to keep the air going through this. Your cooling performance will be affected if you do not reinstall these. So clean all this stuff out. Clean off the radiator right here, because you don't want all that crap in between your radiator and your new condenser and everything. And then install your new condenser in reverse order, hook it back up, charge it up, and you should be ready to go. Again, the leak that we found on this one was right here between the dryer assembly, which is this tube, and the condenser. The dryer accumulator is one piece molded onto the condenser, and it's somewhat common for them to leak at this top connection. So the book rate on this is supposed to be 1 hour, not including the AC service, evacuate and recharge. Alright, hope this helps you guys. Like, comment, and subscribe. Any support is appreciated.